welcome back to the vlog. I am doing another weekend vlog, and this weekend is super exciting because we are spending the weekend in New York for Halloween weekend. Super excited. I'm starting the vlog a little bit late because, well, I mean, we were traveling this morning and it was hectic with a capital H, but here's my partner in crime.
Gang.
And we're meeting my maid of honor and one of her friends this weekend. So we should have lots of fun, and I'm actually going to tell her that she's my maid of honor this weekend, so that's also exciting. So stay tuned, and I hope you guys enjoy. If you haven't already done so, please subscribe and give this video a thumbs up, and let's get into it. Okay guys, we have just checked into our hotel room. It's super cute and quaint. Everything in New York is like so small. Like, look how small our room is. But we got all the necessities. We're staying at the Hilton, and it was a super quick and easy check-in. We are hungry though, babe.
Yeah, starving.
What do you want to eat?
I'm thinking Chinese. What are you thinking?
I'm down for whatever. Our taxi driver was very knowledgeable and was like telling us about all the good stuff to try while we're out here. And he was definitely talking about like Chinese and pizza, right?
Yeah.
So
that's what I gotta taste.
I actually like always want Chinese. Like, I'm always craving Chinese, so I'm down for it. Xavier thinks it's like unbearably cold out here, and I want to say it's like 60s. Check the temperature.
It is 57.
It's 57 degrees, and he's acting like it is literally like below zero out here. So he's like, I'm hungry, but do I want to go walk outside? We're going to be walking a lot this weekend. I need him to put on some long sleeves. If he was drinking, I would tell him to take a shot. We got to warm up because this is our whole weekend, babe.
Yeah, I know.
Anyway, so we are here. Yay. The rest of our peoples get in anywhere between 6 and 10. So we're going to go hang out a little bit. We always do date nights on Friday, so we're going to have a day date together before everyone gets here. So yeah, check you guys later. This is my outfit of the day. We've got little boots and just like a sweatshirt, you know, keep it cute, keep it casual, you feel me? Alright guys, it has been several hours later, but we've got a new addition. Gang gang. That's so funny, he always says gang gang. Family, welcome. Well, we have a new addition to the group, and the last bridesmaid, maid of honor, knows she's in the wedding, so that's exciting. We're about to, what are we about to do?
We're about to take some flower shots.
Flower shots.
Elderflower.
Pear and elderflower. I'm just trying to, you know.
Keep it cute. Drink, but like.
Let's see. All right, Noel.
I'm really judging these shoes. Okay.
I like them. Guys, do you like my shoes? Do you guys like these shoes?
I couldn't find any brown shoes that my toesies wouldn't get wet.
Ah. All right.
This is crusty.
Ugh.
Wait, why is it so hard?
I know.
Oh, there we go.
What is it, rubber?
Yeah.
Here. Just trying to get a little. Start our night. We got one night only. One night only. All right. Cheers!
America's rolled by like an army of steamrollers. Rebuilt again. Baseball is multiple time.
This is actually pretty smooth as far as vodka goes.
Good.
Tell us which one drinks vodka and which one doesn't.
Ooh.
Oh my god, this is horrid.
I actually like it. I mean,
You got a cookie or something?
ooh, we got nothing. Oh, let me tell y'all. No, I was like, ooh, I bought chips. She pulls out Fritos. Who the hell eats Fritos? That's a secret in the family. You're not supposed to tell the public that. She literally purchased Fritos.
Yes, they smell like toes. Okay, bye.
Okay, guys, we just made it to Valerie, which is a gin bar. So we're about to try some drinks. Good morning. We are on day 2. We just went to Cafe Aroma for some breakfast. It was really, really good. Now we are in, it's not CVS, it's called, what is it called? Dwayne something?
Customer service needs
Something. It's basically like another drugstore situation. But we are just picking up a couple things that we forgot at home. And Noelle and Mariah are here. Yeah, so after this we're gonna go back to makeup and hair and stuff and get cute because we're gonna go see Chicago on Broadway. So I'm super excited for that. Anyway, nitro cold brew everywhere I go. Okay guys, we are on day 3.
Yes.
We're on day 3 and we are at brunch right now. We're at the cutest restaurant. It's called
Fred something.
Dutch Breads. And it is so stinking cute. I'm gonna show you guys the food.
The punch.
This shit right here, nigga.
Shit fire, huh?
All right, give me my itinerary.
Let me see.
I'm taking pictures of them in Times Square. Do you guys want pictures?
Okay, and look how stinking cute this freaking
I'm
drink
taking pictures of
is.
them in Times Square. You guys
We're
want
doing
pictures?
bottomless. They call
were
it
doing that.
bottomless
What time you
brunch
guys want
here. She's got like a bottomless punch, and I've of course got
Hit me when you're
mimosas.
done with the punch.
This punch has got like several
show where we
different
are at.
alcohols in them, so I'm
So
like, I
doing
ain't gonna
this,
do it because I'm gonna be
pictures
out
for
for the rest
y'all,
of the day.
Anything else y'all want?
But,
Got you, videographer.
Yes.
Then I drop myself off at my place.
Anyway, we're having a great time. Say hi, everybody.
Hi, everybody.
Woo! Okay. Anyway, we're gonna do a what is it called? Halloween parade tonight. So thank you so much.
This punch is fucking
And
amazing.
yes,
You
so
understand
we
me?
will check you guys later on
You had it
tonight.
before?
I like it, yeah.
Yum. All right, guys, we are officially ending our weekend. We are packed and ready to head to the airport.
Yep.
And I'm exhausted. How do you feel?
I'm tired. We had a great time out here, so yeah.
We had such a good weekend. And now back to regular life. So if you guys enjoy these travel vlogs or these weekend vlogs. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. Woo! Oh, and the other exciting thing is that my last bridesmaid knows, so I can pick back up with my Wedding Wednesday content. So yippee! Look forward to my bridesmaids' proposal boxes, as well as all of their reactions to getting their boxes. So yes, lots of exciting content coming. So I will see you guys soon.